Hello once again, welcome to Heartbeat Info. So right now we're just different inside the third East Circular Road where we just this so. So right now me I come this third circular road for vision before. So now since we rain before for inside this area. Now see I will just video this street because we then because see if rain before make the video the SCB. Let's see how that basically because of erosion issue. So right now we can come here now see we can check out the SCG street. This Esigie street starts from this third circular road, Congo end for the first east circular road. So someone will come here, go check out how this environment be as rain before. We'll see how here it be. And rain don before very heavy. But right now the rain don't bless say it don't reduce. That's why you see people don't dey waka for inside the rain small small. So the rain right now to be fall and it not be that much. So we dey for inside the third east circular road. Now we just dey so. So some will see waka for inside this environment, we must see how this area dey be, we must see how this environment dey be. So right now we dey for inside the third east circular road. And hopefully we go waka for inside this third east circular road during as we still dey for inside rainy season. We must see how this road dey be, and also we also try our best to waka for inside the second circular road and also the first is circular road. We must see how this area dey be. So here now be the junction of the Esigie. So since the rain dey fall for inside this place now, so I still dey for inside the rain. So we must see check out this Esigie as rain dey fall. So we must see how it dey be. So one thing we must feel na say this Esigie they don tar this Esigie, so that one dey very nice. And the thing I say this Esigie now e be like hill. So e come be like say e get one point wey e be like hill for there. So from here now we dey climb up, then we come dey go down. So this Esigie be. So the way they say channel the water for here, they really try for this environment because we no come dey see say here dey flooded. So that one dey very nice because this Esigie before e no dey okay before, but right now the authorities don fix many of these roads wey dey for inside wey connect the third circular road and the first east circular road. The authorities say they don fix many of the roads, so kudos to them say they don fix all these roads. So they try to show road for inside this our great city Benin city anyhow e be, so that we'll see how it dey be. And this Esigie road, at least we dey see major improvement and major development for inside this Esigie road, especially this side of the road now. Very nice thing. Now they see the gutter system, say the gutter say e dey flow, water dey flow for inside this Esigie. So that one dey very good and very nice. Me frankly speaking, when I come this Esigie as rain dey fall, I really happy say this place say they don do am and the road don dey very okay. So I wan say a big welcome to you to Heartbeat Info. If this na your first time when you dey come Heartbeat Info, I wan say a big welcome to you. And if you never come before, I wan say a big welcome to you. Welcome to Heartbeat Info. So right now still dey for inside this our great city Benin city, and today we will carry us enter the Esigie. Esigie street starts from the third east circular road, then for start, then we come go end for inside the first east circular road, and also we dey waka for inside the first east circular road. We'll see how this first east circular road be. So we'll just see how the environment be, because we will still waka for inside this first east circular road very soon. Hopefully we don't waka for inside the first east circular road and other road that day. I pray say make rain fall that day so that we will see how the roads be, so that we'll see how it be. So we dey hope say rain go fall. We dey wan waka for the first east circular road, second east circular road and the third east circular road, because those roads I dey try to avoid them since because they dey very long. But very soon we'll waka for inside the road. So I want to say a big thank you to you wey dey watch Heartbeat Info. Thank you very much to you wey dey support me financially. I want to say God will richly bless you. So thank you very much. And you wey dey give me advice on how to waka for inside this our great city Benin city. I want to say thank you very, very, very much. Say I really, really, really appreciate the love, the support, and everything. I want to say thank you very, very much. So right now we dey for inside the Esigie street. This Esigie street we dey see say water dey flow, and this street e dey face lots of issues before, but right now we wan see say the authority say dem don fix this road, and we dey see say even if rain fall, heavy rain fall, like heavy rain fall when I dey for third junction, that is the Ekusa market, because I go collect something. So I go do something for that environment because me I dey teach maths to some children. So when I reach there, I come find out say rain dey fall. Now I quick rush come dis side say make I come quick do the Esigie, because one of our person say make we do the Esigie road during rainy season, make we see how e dey be, and now I just remember, now I rush come here say make I quick come do this Esigie as rain just dey fall, and rain fall heavily. So and right now we see say, so dey see how this environment be now, say rain fall heavily for inside this environment. So you see water dey rush for the ground everywhere, say everywhere dey one kind, and rain even right now still dey fall for inside this area. I want to thank you very much to you wey give us the Esigie say make we waka for rainy season. Say thank you very, very much. At least that one make me to know say I need to waka for inside here during the rainy season. So you see how water dey rush for inside this place now. So this Esigie place, the way they say ground, because of say this place no just dey waka so now, here na hill. So here na hill. So right now we dey waka dey go up. So the first time I fit waka for inside this Esigie, when I dey waka go up, so na the thing tire me the first time, but now I no come dey feel am again. I no know why I come dey feel am again. E come be like say na normal road, but this road normal e dey sleep. So this guy wey dey come for front, so this guy e dey go down very fast. Me wey dey go up, so me dey use all my power still dey go up. So
hello, my people. My body. Nothing that they glory me, I don't go on. Now I enter inside the race. Bye.
So this side now, what she say the gutter for here say e cover. So the thing I say I feel say na just the people wey dey for the environment no dey do am well, because the thing when e start to cover they just abandon am say nothing dey happen. That's why we see say that place come be like say e come recover. This place now don recover, the gutter don cover, because when e dey for their front and e dey close small small, nobody even care about say dem wan dig am back, because na dem no know say the more the gutter dey close, the more their own house dey affected. I'm not sure say many people know that thing for inside Benin right now. You see say people don cover this place now, and here now no come dey flow again, here no come dey flow, so that's why we come see pothole. Like if you look am now, this place wey pothole come dey na because of say gutter system no dey effectively dey for here, and come be like say erosion issue dey for inside this side of the Esigie road. So right now we still dey for inside the Esigie road, but we don reach the second east circular road. So hopefully we go waka for inside this road. Me I dey hope say the day we go come here that day make rain fall, because me na when I dey wait for some kind environment, if rain fall I go fit rush go there go do am. So I dey hope say make rain fall so that we fit do this place, so that we know how good this second east circular road be. So right now we still dey for inside the Esigie road. We hear na see the Esigie road. So we see say this environment this at least rain fall everyday. This one no be say rain fall everyday now. but we no dey see water for ground. That means the gutter system for inside this Esigie say e dey work properly. Yes, e dey work properly. So that one dey very, very, very good. But many of the adjoining road wey connect this Esigie road, they never tar many of the adjoining road. So if you get any street for mind wey you go like to see for inside this our great city Benin city, just write am down for the comment. Then I will try my best say I waka for inside the road. And if you get any market wey you go like to see, just write am down for the comment. Then I go try my best to waka for that market for inside the heartbeat town, so that we go see how that market still be. So right now we still dey for inside the Esigie street now we still dey now. So we see say this street now say they don tar this street. This Esigie street starts from the third East Circular Road wey go end for the first East Circular Road. So we see say na very very long street for inside this our great city, Benin city. So right now we don enter inside the first East Circular Road. So hopefully we go still waka for inside this first East Circular Road during the rainy season. We go see how this area will be. We go still dey for inside the first East Circular Road. So as we don finish the Esigie street, so we see say this first East Circular Road now say this road dey just enter this road. So hopefully we go waka for inside this road during the rainy season. We go for see how this road to be. So say we still waka for inside this first East Circular Road right now as rain fall. So so that we'll forget how they be for rainy season, and hopefully we'll come back waka for inside this circular road. So if you get any street for mind wey you would like to see, just put am down for the comment. I go try my best to see am and try my best to waka for inside the street. Alright, so now we come to the end of this video. So I want to say a big thank you to you when they watch out this info. Thank you very much to you when they support me financially. I want to say God will richly bless you. So thank you very much. Also thank you very much to you when they give me advice on how to work out for inside this our great city, blessed. I want to thank you very much. But we meet again on another walk. Have a blessed day and also remain blessed. Thank you very much.